A poem is an egg with a horse inside it. It's something small with something really large inside it. It's also something small with a really big surprise inside it, something you weren't expecting. My name is Traci Brimhall. I'm a University Distinguished Professor here at Kansas State and also the current Poet Laureate for the state of Kansas. I have been a poet since I can remember. I've always loved playing with words. Poems help wake up our senses to our everyday experiences, but I think it also opens up our minds, our curiosity to understand yourself and each other and the world better. I think it's creative art's job to hold up a mirror to some of the problems in the world. So Kansas is one of the top food producers in the nation, but we also experience about medium average food insecurity. One of the projects I have done is create a poetry cookbook. So I invited 20 chefs from across the state to give recipes for the project, and 20 poets responded to those recipes. And so I was interested in the way that the arts could figure out ways to talk about or connect that ability to create food and to grow food, but also to feed its citizens. Creativity is a great way to get us to ask new questions and to stand between our known and the unknown and find something new.